There is an ancient power, spoken of since the beginning of time, capable of driving out any anguish and restoring what the world gave up for lost. Today, you are not here by chance. I am going to reveal to you 7 biblical secrets about unconditional love, the kind of love that doesn't just feel, but transforms, heals, and renews everything around it. Listen with your heart, because the 3rd revelation is exactly what your soul needs to hear today. In Romans chapter 8, the Apostle Paul brings us an overwhelming certainty. He says that neither death nor life, neither angels nor demons, neither the present nor the future can separate us from the love of God. Understand this. This love does not depend on your perfection. It does not decrease when you make a mistake. In the world, love is conditional on what you have. But to God, love is about who you are, a precious child.
When Jesus was asked what the greatest secret to life was, he was direct. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, and love your neighbor as yourself. This is not just religious advice. It is a code of freedom. By shifting the focus away from yourself and looking at others with compassion, you break the chains of selfishness that cause you to suffer. The Apostle John wrote that perfect love drives out all fear. Why do we feel anxiety? Because we doubt that we are being cared for. But when you understand that the Creator of the universe loves you perfectly, the fear of tomorrow loses its power. God's love is a safe refuge where terror cannot enter. Love is patient. Love is kind. It keeps no record of wrongs, and it always perseveres. These words from Corinthians do not describe a fleeting feeling, but a daily decision. To love this way is to choose peace over conflict. It is finding strength in forgiveness, even when the pain feels greater. Jesus said, "Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends." He didn't just stop at words. He lived the sacrifice so that you would know your worth. If you feel worthless today, look at the cross. That is the price that was paid for you.
John chapter 3, verse 16 summarizes the heart of the universe. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son. It is an active love, one that offers eternal hope to whoever decides to believe. You were not made for an end. You were made for eternity.
The final secret is a challenge. Let us not love with words or speech, but with actions and in truth. Real love is visible. It is a gesture, a helping hand, a word of encouragement. It is being the light that the world so desperately needs. If this message brought peace to your soul, don't keep it to yourself. Leave your amen in the comments as a seal of faith. Subscribe to keep nourishing your spirit every day, and share this video with someone who needs to know they are loved. Stay in the peace of God, and see you in the next video.